What's going on, chemical guys, friends, and family? Today we have this beautiful Skyline R33 in the shop, and as you can see, it's covered in a light layer of dust. So we're going to be using some EcoSmart and one of our Mr. Sprayer full function atomizers to show you how to properly remove it. Just start with a couple pumps and then spray it. We'll start here on the hood. And EcoSmart is going to encapsulate any of the loose dirt and the debris that's on the surface of the vehicle. This car sits in a garage, but it's also collected a lot of dust. So we want to gently remove without causing any scratches, which is also why we're using a clean workhorse microfiber towel. We'll start back here and we're going to wipe gently. And as we wipe, we're going to roll the towel to create a new edge. But you can already see a difference between the dirt that's already been hiding on there and then the fresh layer of paint that's underneath it. We'll continue the same process. This gently wipes away anything that's on the surface. It's a great way to maintain your vehicle, whether you're stuck in a garage or maybe you live in an apartment where you don't have access to a hose. As you guys can probably hear, it's a little noisy in here because we are inside of the Detail Garage showroom today. Continue the same process here. But the reason for rolling the towel again is so that we're not grinding any of the abrasive particles into the finish. You see all that dirt was hiding on the surface. It's got a brilliant white finish underneath there because it's routinely detailed and now it's got a nice coat of wax, but it's hidden underneath that light layer of dirt. So we're showing you how to gently wipe it away. And this is a great way to keep your car looking its best, whether you're again, confined to a garage, or maybe you're going to a show or just got back from a cruise. This is a great way to upkeep your coatings on your vehicle, also make it look its best for as long as possible. Now, this can be used on the gloss painted surfaces of your vehicle, your headlights, your gloss wheels, but on this car, it's actually got matte wheels. So Andy's over here and he's going to show you the proper way to maintain it and protect it.
Thank you, Nick. So pretty much right here, what we're doing is we're actually wiping down this matte finish wheel with our meticulous matte, which is perfectly safe for matte or satin finishes. As you guys can tell, it's pretty much kept inside the garage, but we do accumulate a lot of dust on there. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is slide on over on this side and show you guys how to properly clean a matte or satin finish wheel using meticulous matte, using a brand new towel, right? Spray onto the actual towel, not to the surface, and you always want to make sure that the rims are actually nice and cool and the brakes are cool too as well. Pat it down and just go ahead and start wiping down. As you guys can tell, it's grabbing a lot of that dust and a lot of that brake dust that's been on there. And it's giving you pretty much reconditioning that matte satin surface there. If you guys need more of a deeper clean, you guys can also use something like our Diablo Gel, which is a pH neutral formula. That's not going to harm the actual surface and give you that nice sheen look that you're supposed to have. And there you have it, guys. Quick and easy, back to the natural shine that it's supposed to have.
And there you guys have it. It really is that simple. This is your waterless wash solution. Think of it as your car wash in a bottle. And the Mr. Sprayer makes it really easy to coat any size vehicle without having the fatigue of constantly pressing that trigger handle. But you see, it gently removes any of the light dirt on there, water spots, bird droppings, and restores a beautiful shine by adding a light layer of wax. And it's also going to help protect it for as long as possible. So now if you guys want more of these products, check them out on our website, chemicalguys.com. If you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop your comments down below for future videos, and we'll see you next time.